Hello, everyone, and welcome to a short webinar on Canada Revenue Agency's My Account. We are Ask an Advocate, which is a website-based project created to help clients and service providers find information and resources about income and disability assistance, tenancy, and other income supports. In this webinar, we're going to take a quick look at the CRA My Account, discussing the purpose, benefits, registration process, and more. Please remember that the information provided in this webinar will be applicable in Canada only, while some information additionally may only apply to British Columbians. The My Account online portal is available through Canada's federal website and is run by the Canada Revenue Agency, which we will refer to throughout the webinar simply as the CRA. For more information on the CRA's My Account, visit the links provided in the description below. In this webinar, we will go over the CRA My Account, and we will outline both the features available as well as the registration and login processes. In our first section, we will go over what the CRA My Account is and the purpose that it serves. As briefly mentioned in the introduction, the CRA My Account is a secure online portal run by the Canada Revenue Agency that lets you view your personal income tax and benefit information, as well as manage your tax affairs online. It allows you to track your refund, view or change your return, check your benefit and credit payments, view your RRSP limit, set up direct deposit, receive email notifications, and many other features that we will briefly cover later in this webinar. Additionally, if you believe you may be eligible for COVID-19 benefits, you will also be able to access and apply for these benefits directly through your CRA My Account. In this next section, we will discuss the features of CRA My Account, as well as the benefits of having this information all readily available and in one place. Likely the most well-known benefit of My Account is the ability to view and manage tax return details. You will have access to view and even print your notice of assessment, as well as all details of your tax return for all applicable past years. Additionally, you may view tax slips such as T4s, view carryover amounts, as well as claimed amounts from disability tax credit. You will also be able to view your RRSP deduction limit, your TFSA contribution room, as well as both past and future payments for GST or HST credit. There is simply so much you can manage all within one place. As displayed above, there are many services connected to My Account, such as the ability to update your address or phone number, set up and manage direct deposit info, register disputes, view uncashed checks, and countless other services. Lastly, we'll cover the options for the registration and login process, and provide information so you can decide what option may be the best for you. In order to log in and access the CRA My Account, you must first register. Currently, there are 3 different methods to do so. On the next few slides, we'll do a quick overview of the 3 registration methods to see what may be the best option for yourself. The first option listed is through their partner sign-in. You may expand the list to see all partners, which are all through the online sign-ins with applicable banks and credit unions. The most popular banks and credit unions are partnered, and if you already have access to your online banking through one of these listed sign-in partners, then this will likely be the quickest and easiest way to begin accessing your My Account portal. An important detail to note, however, once you are logged in, you will have very limited access to your account. You will be mailed out a CRA code, which once received, you will simply need to sign into your My Account and follow the instructions when prompted to input the CRA code that you've received. Please keep in mind these codes do expire, so make sure you complete this process soon after receiving your code. After this step is completed, you will have full access to your CRA My Account, and additionally, we have included a link in the description below that will provide a full overview of what you will and won't be able to access without your CRA code. The second option listed is to sign in directly with a CRA user ID and password. If you've decided to go through with this method, please keep in mind you will need to have your social insurance number ready in order to register. Additionally, you will likely be sent a code via snail mail that you will then be required to input online to finalize the registration. Keep in mind that this often takes around 10 business days, and you will not be able to access your account until this step has been completed. And lastly, we have option 3, to which you are able to sign in with your BC Services card. However, they process this method through something called a mobile card, which is simply an electronic ID that is set up through the BC Services Card app from either Apple's App Store or Android's Play Store. Once the app is downloaded, follow the initial instructions provided in the app to complete the registration. After the app is set up, you'll be able to go back to the website where you'll be prompted with further instructions, as well as a code to complete the login. Then you will be able to access your CRA My Account. Take a moment to review the 3 methods to determine what option is most easily accessible to you. And lastly, just as a final note, if you decide to register through option 1 or 2, please keep in mind you will need to ensure you have completed your income tax return for either the current or past year. Thank you for watching, everyone. As always, feel free to browse through our other webinars and provide us feedback by clicking on the survey link in the description below.